My name is Jimmy, and this is my cousin, Jimbo.
Hi.
And he's going to show you how to make a dang chocolate brownie cake. So, here we go. See? He's so retarded, ain't he, folks? Jacob, what you doing right now?
Dr. Faggot.
What you doing right now, Jacob?
I'm dirty.
I'm like, crap to me.
Faggot.
What are you doing? He ain't gonna say anything. He's not gonna say nothing. Okay, he's walking around. Jacob, what are you doing? Why don't you look?
I'm dirty.
He's a big dumb animal, ain't he, folks?
Dirty.
He's stirring. What'd you do? What'd you do? Did you cut yourself? How do you cut yourself with a spoon? That's very highly unlikely. Yeah.
We should put this on YouTube.
We are.
We are?
Yeah, we're gonna put. Yeah, this is going on YouTube, Jimbo.
You want some brandy?
Yeah, I want some bread. Let me lick that off. Put some on my finger right now. Let me see that. Huh? What?
Right now, you got
No, but I just want to lick the spoon.
It's over.
See, what are you doing?
Wait.
No. And that's just some lady. She's just here. I don't know why. Anyway, this is my house. And that's Jimbo. And I'll be back with part 2 in just a moment.